Welcome back to another episode of Guys with Games. I'm your host this week, Teacher David. Today's game is called Moving Letter. It's a great vocabulary game for your older level students and to kind of like have them all remember the words that they already know and how to spell those words. So what I'll do is split the class into two teams. I'll have a blue team and a red team, and I'll give them both a different letter. And I'll bring two students to the front of the class, and their job is to fill each row with a different word. And in order to fill the rows, they have to use the letter and in the current space that it's in. So in this word, F has to be the first letter. In this word, F has to be the second letter of the word, third letter of the word, and fourth letter of the word. And I do have some rules for my older level students who are more advanced. I usually tell them at the beginning, I don't want to see any colors, I don't want to see any fruit, animals, and the word has to have 4 letters or more. So even though fox is an easy word here, one, it's an animal and it's too easy, and also it doesn't have enough letters in it. So you would maybe write a different word like fountain. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and play this game live for you here. I've got Carson and Dustin. I think they've been thinking of their words this whole time, but that's okay. Just come on down. All right, the winner is whoever writes their words the fastest. So I'll step back and say, ready, go. Wow, okay. Carson with a very fast, swift victory over Dustin. Very good. You guys can go back and sit down. Thank you so much. So Carson's team would get a star, and I might make Dustin do something silly like cha-cha-cha or ask teacher a question or something of that sort. If you want to make the game a little bit more difficult, you could make an extra row and have them do 4 letters in front of the moving letter. And that's really, really difficult. All right, again, this is Moving Letter. Teacher David with Guys with Games. Guys from Games, with Games. Out. See you guys.